Santa does go on
35 minutes until we go.
some training flights just to get the reindeers back up to speed. And it's actually out there on the left-hand side at the moment. And it's just asked to come and have a rest, because Prancer particularly is feeling a little bit tired. So he's going to come and just touch down on the roof for a little rest. But he can't see us at the moment because I think he must have the sun in his eyes. Can you just shout, when I go count to 3, can you just shout, "Over here, Santa," because he can't see us. Hang on a second. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Still not looking this way. Can you make it really loud this time? Shout, "Over here, Santa." 1, 2, 3. Okay, yes, here he comes. Gosh, look at how fast he's going. He's right behind us now. He's behind us. I think he's about to land on the roof in about 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, Jesus!
Santa.
Hey, baby,
Tired.
It's here! Wow, what are we bells?
Here you go, Santa. You got it?
Imagine if it's actually on the roof. Where does that?
It's gone down there. Okay, so that's
Come on, start it. There's the
Santa's going to take off in a moment or two, and he's going to go up ahead to on the baby, and he's going to get those.
Is that 28? No, actually.
They're backing up to the back of the airplane now.
Now what's this?
You might hear the hoots starting off down the aeroplane.
I can do something
Here they go.
Look.
Building up speed. And they're off. And there he goes up ahead. And look at the way
Oh, it is. Gotta go now. See you. Gotta go. Because we are gonna learn. Chuck can't do it. Bye. Knuckle brothers.